I just took Mother's English cookie recipe, really shortbread cookies, out of the oven. And I've shared this recipe with you before, but I wanted to share it again this year and give you an idea for a topping. They're still warm, and what's going to happen is these chocolate bars are going to melt from the heat of the warmed shortbread, and then we'll be able to smooth it. You know, let's just go crazy. Let's make that a little denser. Oh, can't have too much chocolate. We're going to let that warm, and then we'll smooth it out, and then we're going to sprinkle pecans on top, and then cut them in diamonds. The chocolate bars have melted beautifully from the warmth of the shortbread, taken from the oven just a few minutes. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm so glad we added one more. It's 5 bars across, and that is just the perfect number. Now we're going to sprinkle some freshly ground pecans. You know what, if the shaker doesn't work, just take the lid off. There we go, much better. Love a good pecan. These are also wonderful whole pecans, butter and salt, baked in the oven. That's a lovely little holiday treat to have at the ready. So we've sprinkled the top with pecans, and now to create that beautiful diamond pattern, which was Mother's signature holiday cookie shape, you merely cut lengthwise on your pan all the way down. You will, because of this melted chocolate and needing to make your knife cuts while the cookies are still warm, you'll need to just clean your knife off a little bit in between each row. 3, and I'm going to do one more row here. So that will give us 5 rows of cookies. And then we'll go back and we're going to cut at the diagonal. So that means going this way. 1. And then finish letting it cool, and you'll be able to lift these out beautifully. And there's something about the diamond shape that's special. It just makes it that. Love doing things a little extra special for the holidays. We let our cookies cool and rescored all the lines just to make sure that lifting them out of the pan will be easy. These end pieces, oh my goodness, that was always a treat. My boys knew end pieces were always fair game. Going after the cookies in the middle that have this beautiful diamond shape. I love how these present so beautifully. I do love being able to put out a beautiful plate for dessert, perhaps an open house, putting in a lovely tin, and tying as a gift for a dear neighbor that's been extra good to you this year. And they also, particularly with this chocolate nut topping, may just win that cookie exchange that you've been trying for year after year. It's an easy recipe to make. The ingredients you probably already have in your fridge and cupboard. It's flour, sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 1 egg yolk, teaspoon of vanilla, and then topped any way you wish for a special treat. Enjoy Miss Joan's English cookies this holiday season. Merry Christmas.